Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network related issues. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down and select system, then select reset options, then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So here we can see reset settings. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on this reset settings button, then again tap on reset settings. See, network settings have been reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth related issues. Okay, so please check it.